Master your focus, master your life. Define the target clearly. A blurred goal creates a blurred life. Without a clear target, the mind wanders endlessly. Writing down exactly what you want, numbers, deadlines, specific actions, bring structure to your vision. A clear goal is like a map, it shows you where to go and what to avoid. When you define the target in detail, distractions lose their power. You can measure progress, adjust when necessary, and stay on track. Without clarity, energy scatters, but with precision, every step builds momentum toward achievement. Break goals into steps. A mountain is climbed step by step. Big dreams often feel overwhelming because the mind only sees the final result. By dividing your goal into smaller, practical steps, you make progress tangible. Each completed step fuels motivation for the next. This method prevents procrastination and gives you a sense of achievement along the journey. Small actions compound into massive results. The mountain becomes less intimidating when you focus only on the next stone under your foot. Eliminate distractions. Focus is destroyed by noise. Modern life is full of interruptions, social media, notifications, endless messages. Each distraction steals your energy and delays your progress. To reach your goal, you must create an environment where your attention is protected. Turn off alerts, schedule focused work sessions, and remove unnecessary clutter from your space. By training your mind to resist distractions, you sharpen your ability to dive deeply into important tasks. Great results demand undivided focus. Build daily rituals. Consistency beats intensity. Discipline grows through habits, not occasional effort. When you create small daily rituals that align with your goals, progress becomes automatic. Whether it's reading 10 pages, practicing a skill, or exercising, repetition trains the brain to associate success with routine. Over time, rituals become second nature, and the struggle disappears. A clear focus is maintained when your day is structured around simple, purposeful actions that lead to your vision. Visualize the outcome. The mind moves toward what it sees. Visualization is a powerful mental tool. By clearly imagining your goal achieved, you program your brain to believe it is possible. Athletes use this technique before competitions to enhance performance. When you regularly see yourself succeeding, your subconscious guides your actions in that direction. Visualization also strengthens emotional connection to the goal, making you more resilient when challenges arise. The clearer the picture in your mind, the faster your reality shifts to match it. Protect your energy. Focus dies when energy is weak. A sharp mind requires a strong body. Sleep, nutrition, and exercise are not luxuries, they are fuel for concentration. Without proper energy, even the best goals fade into frustration. Protect your focus by managing your health, eat clean, rest deeply, and move your body daily. Your brain cannot function under exhaustion and poor habits. To achieve big dreams, you must first protect the energy that makes focused work possible. Learn to say no. Every yes steals focus from something else. Goals demand sacrifice. Each time you say yes to unnecessary invitations, tasks, or distractions, you say no to your dreams. Learning to decline politely but firmly is a skill of focus. It allows you to preserve time and energy for what truly matters. People may not always understand, but success requires boundaries. By saying no often, you create space to give your best yes to your vision. Surround yourself with the right people. Environment shapes focus. Your circle influences your discipline, your beliefs, and your drive. When surrounded by people who complain, waste time, or mock ambition, your focus weakens. On the other hand, being around driven, disciplined, and supportive individuals sharpens your commitment. Choose to spend time with those who inspire action. Borrow their energy, learn their habits, and let their example keep your vision alive. Focus is contagious when shared in the right company. Review progress regularly. Without reflection, focus drifts. A goal is not a straight road, it requires constant correction. Regularly reviewing your progress keeps your vision alive and prevents wasted effort. Ask yourself weekly, what worked? What failed? What must change? Reflection brings clarity, and clarity sharpens focus. When you measure results, you also create accountability. The simple act of checking your progress keeps you honest and aligned with your dream. Train mental discipline. The mind is a muscle, train it daily. Focus is not natural, it must be built like strength. Meditation, journaling, and deliberate concentration exercises sharpen your mental discipline. Even resisting small impulses, like checking your phone during work, builds focus. Over time, you gain control over your attention instead of letting random thoughts rule you. A disciplined mind does not chase every distraction, it remains steady, even under stress. Mental training is the foundation of lasting success. Control your environment. Your surroundings shape your attention. A messy, noisy, or chaotic environment constantly steals focus. By designing your space with intention, you remove unnecessary friction. A clean desk, organized tools, and a quiet atmosphere create conditions for deep work. Environment also includes digital space. Keep your devices organized and free from clutter. The less noise around you, the sharper your inner focus becomes. Great achievements are born in environments that support concentration. Embrace patience. Focus requires time. Many abandon their goals because they expect results too soon. True focus is sustained over months and years, not minutes and days. Patience is the hidden fuel of success. When you stay committed long enough, small actions compound into transformation. By embracing patience, you protect your focus from the frustration of slow progress. Remember, nothing worth achieving happens instantly. Time tests your dedication, and only patience keeps the vision alive. Replace multitasking with monotasking. One arrow hits the target, many arrows miss. Multitasking feels productive but destroys focus. The brain cannot fully concentrate on two complex tasks at once. By focusing on one thing at a time, you give it your best energy and ensure quality. Monotasking builds momentum because completed tasks bring clarity. Each finished action strengthens discipline and creates confidence. Success comes from mastery of single tasks, not from scattering attention across many. Align actions with values. Focus grows when purpose is strong. When your goals align with your values, focus feels natural. You no longer fight with yourself to stay disciplined, because every action resonates with your inner truth. If a goal contradicts your values, motivation fades quickly. Discover what truly matters to you, and align your targets with that vision. Purpose acts as a compass that keeps your focus steady, even during storms. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledgement fuels focus. Big goals can feel endless, but small victories remind you that progress is real. Each celebration, whether finishing a chapter, saving a small amount, or completing a workout, creates positive reinforcement. These wins keep motivation alive and prevent burnout. Celebrating does not mean stopping, it means pausing to recognize effort. Gratitude for small achievements builds the energy to continue focusing on the bigger dream. Thank you for your attention. If you liked the story, please like and subscribe. It motivates us to make new videos and helps us promote the channel. Thank you.